Hey, I'm Jesse Galbraith. I'm your U.S. Army veteran here to help you with your business and trying to understand what you're doing. How to make a website for your YouTube channel, that's what you're trying to decide, that's what you searched for, and the honest opinion is you can go through, build up a website that actually has a DNS and everything that you need from ClickFunnels. You go pay the $99, get the actual paid version, the first step, and you can make it so that it's all set up for your YouTube channel. You can actually integrate YouTube videos into ClickFunnels. Wix, Squarespace, all that stuff, they have to be like a minute, maybe a minute, 20 seconds long. It's not very long. So if you want to use something that can actually work for your channel, start building everything as you need, then you can also put, affiliate links in it. You can do all sorts of different stuff with ClickFunnels. You can make it so for $100 a month that you are getting everything you need out of it and getting a bunch of benefits. With ClickFunnels, it has a bunch of templates built out. It has all these different things so you can create offers, so you can create different pages, and you can just have a multitude of different pages set up just for you, just at the right exact point that you need it. Have links to send to places to make it so people can come visit your content, enjoy your pages, because if you want to do a page that had 5 videos on it about fishing or hunting or whatever the niche you like to talk about, video games, you can sit there. There's so many different things that you can do to customize it. And by having that website that's linking back to your YouTube channel, you're getting SEO for your YouTube channel, starting to make it grow, and you can continually just up your whole YouTube game by having an active website that you can build through ClickFunnels. Down below is going to be a 14-day free trial, so you can check it out, see what to do. There's going to be YouTube videos that you can search for on how to use ClickFunnels and put a YouTube video into it. And if you really enjoy it, then I would highly suggest to choose Russell Brunson's courses, because Russell Brunson's courses will teach you how to do sales copy. They're going to teach you how to build a funnel properly, how to make it so that it's going to convert, how to test market, how to split test. They'll teach you a bunch of different stuff that's going to be essential. And knowing something about marketing for your business, your YouTube channel, which is a business, because if you're getting people in or if you're using it for your business, no matter what, it's going to be essential for you. I would highly, highly recommend clicking that link below, getting that 14-day free trial, and looking into it yourself. But I personally use ClickFunnels for my businesses. I'm going to be building a funnel for my website, well, for my YouTube channel website. Man, I can't even say that right. But I'm going to be building that shortly just because I know everything that I can do for it and everything that it does for me. If ClickFunnels for me is super easy, it's going to be super easy for you. It was super easy for Grant Cardone, who knows how to sell. He doesn't have a tech-savvy bone in his body. So why not do something where you're going to be able to build something yourself, no matter what level of your technology skills are, or your tech skills, however you want to say it, and start doing something to help increase your traffic, help increase your conversions, and help build your business.